Hi guys, welcome on my channel. Bitcoin Lightning Network payments jump over 400%. 80 million users have access to network. As the usage of the Bitcoin Lightning Network is growing rapidly. Now more than 80 million users are estimated to have access to this network compared with 100,000 users last summer. A new report from Arcane Research has found. The main driver of growth for the Lightning Network this year has been Jack Dorsey payments app Cash App. Also, El Salvador's national Lightning wallet Chivo and the popular Bitcoin trading platform Paxful contributed to most of the growth in 2021. Users with access to Lightning payments. The author of the report also noted that while Lightning Network payments volume peaked in November and has since retracted somewhat, the picture is different and when we exclude deposits and withdrawal from trading services. Then we see that all other payments actually dipped in November but have since growth to new heights, they said, adding that their payment jumped 480% in a year. Total payments jumped 410%. Lightning payments accept for deposits withdraw to draining services. Meanwhile, Arcane researchers also found that of the total payments volume in the first 2 months of 2022, about half of the value transacted came from transactions directly between individuals. The next most popular way to use Lightning was exchange deposit and withdrawals, which came in with 32% of transactions. Lastly, 20% of payments were made up of purchases of goods and services handled either through payments processors or by buying gift cards. Distribution of Lightning payments volume in 2022. When looking at usage in terms of the number of transactions, the report says so-called micro-rivers dominate the picture. These are transactions that are typically sent to a user for using a services, for example through a gaming service that rewards its players with satoshis for playing a game, a concept known as play to earn. According to our estimated, individuals sent each other more than 300,000 payments, made more than 200,000 payments for goods and services, and over 100,000 deposits or withdrawal to or from trading services in the first 2 months of 2022, the report said. In terms of the future of Lightning, Bitcoin's most popular layer 2 network, Arcane said that although the network usage is still far behind legacy payments networks like Visa, the potential for explosive growth exists. This potential comes from both users using Bitcoin over the Lightning network directly and for the network to be used as a payment rail for fiat currencies, the report said. Also, according to them, with the Lightning Network, usage can continue to grow even as we wait for hyper-Bitcoinization to explode, though the use of the network simply as a payment rail for traditional currencies. Liquidation swirl in crypto market while some traders hope for upcoming bounce. The crypto market saw a broad sell-off led by Ethereum and other major layer first competitors falling between 4% and 7% over the past day. The fall led to a spike of liquidation, with some popular traders now speculating that the market could be getting ready for a reversal higher. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin fell by 3.6% to a price of $39,000, while Ethereum has down by $4.3 to $2,900 for the past 7 days. As we often be seen during sharp sell-offs in the crypto market, a large number of leveragers derivatives traders were caught on the wrong side of the bet. At press time, more than $35 million of leveraged Bitcoin long position had been liquidated since midnight time on Monday. For the crypto market as a whole, the liquidation reached close to 134 million during the same time period, a level not seen since the major market sell-off on Monday last week. New support forming, but risk remains. According to the on-chain analyst provider Glassnode, Bitcoin is in the process of forming a new support level at the $39,000 to $40,000 level after being rejected at the $47,000 resistance level in late March. However, the firm warned in a newsletter today that the correlation between Bitcoin and traditional risk assets, such as stocks, remains high, hiding that support levels will not necessarily hold should stock prices fall. The downside risk for the Bitcoin price were also reflected in the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which on Monday morning indicated extreme fear among market participants. The current reading marks a worsening in sentiment from Sunday and a further worsening from last week when only fear was indicated. According to crypto exchange Kraken's latest Intel and Insights report from Friday, aggressive buy interest was seen for Ethereum and Terra's stablecoin USD last week. Additionally, the report distributed buying interest for Bitcoin as broad when prices dipped around $48,000, straightening the case for some level of support around this level. The report also noted that on-chain activity on the Bitcoin network fell during the week, with active addressed falling by 4.4% and the transaction count dropping by nearly 2.1%. Meanwhile, bearishness could also be sensed from some popular crypto traders on Twitter, with one such user opinion that momentum in the market now looks terrible. On the more optimistic side, Michel van de Poel, CEO and founder of crypto consultancy 8, said on Twitter on Monday that the current price level is key for Bitcoin's direction in the near terms. If this level is lost, I'm looking for a new lows and potentially sub $3,000, when the Pope wrote before saying that he believes change now are greater for an upside to move raises and a further move to the downside. If you want to long Bitcoin, this is the era, the popular crypto trader said. Familiar crypto at another widely followed crypto traders and educator said in a video update on Monday that he remains optimistic about the Bitcoin price for the week. Price action will come later this week, and then I do expect some sort of bounce, said the trader educator, noting that the two technical indicators RCI and MACD are currently showing a bullish divergence. As long as hold, that's an extra sign of an upcoming bounce, said. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.